To test our technology, you can use our evaluation board, which is a board with our module, some electronics, in this case a power management circuit from EPs. That one do maximum power point tracking, so get most out of our technology. It has some storage medium, in this case a supercapacitor from Capex. And there's some output electronics also, so you can set the voltage quite freely. So with this one you can then evaluate performance, or you can connect it to some product you have or prototype. In this case we have taken an off-the-shelf temperature sensor like this one, exchange the battery with our board and just see if it works. So it's that easy. On our evaluation board we have some electronics here, and this is basically the same electronics you need in your product. So there's some power management circuit, some storage and stuff like that. So this design you can use as a reference design for your product, and we also have other reference design using other electronics, other storage medium and so forth. So all these reference design is freely available from us through our reference library.